Hey, what's up? This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make motion graphics elements. Let's start. This is After Effects program. You say yes, it is, and create a new composition, and then right here motion graphics. Take your duration time 5 seconds. Very simple. Listen. And then fit your screen. No. After fitting your screen, turn on title action save area, Ctrl+R for ruler. Go to where shapes, ellipse. Click here, Ctrl Shift for fix size setting, and then click here, write effect of radial wipe. There is the radial wipe. Drop this one, select your shape, change the fill to none, and turn on the stroke. Select the color of stroke, press Ctrl for slowly down the rate. Okay, now change to 100. Stopwatch transition completion, go to 15 frames, change to 0. It means the motion will be like this. You can change the end keyframe, press U, move to 10 frame. And now drop another radial wipe and change the wipe counterclockwise. It means when you change transition completion, starting from the end. And now I want to start the clockwise from the 5 frame stopwatch, go to 15 frame, change to 100, and now play. Okay, select again the shape layer, press Ctrl for change the stroke size. And now select again shape layer, Ctrl D for duplicate, press S for scale down, like this, and move your layer 3 frames. Play again. Okay, select both and right click, pre-compose, and name it the radial motion. Press enter. This is the first motion. We'll go to the next motion elements. Okay, now right click, create a new solid, name it circle, press enter, change the color of solid, Ctrl Shift plus Y, change the color white, press OK, and right here the effect circle, change the edge thickness and change the radius 0, and change the thickness. You change the radius 0 and the thickness. No, change the stopwatch, the opacity, go to 10 frame, 0. Play now. Turn on stopwatch radius. There is a little bit problem. Change 0 again. Stopwatch, go to 10 frame, change it to 10. If the thing is too much less, press U on the keyframe of radius, change like this. This is too much big. The 15 is enough. Play again. Okay. And now select the circle, Ctrl D for duplicate, press S down the size and move the layer 3 frames. Select both and right click, pre-compose, name it circle motion. Okay, now time to create another motion element. Right click, go to create what? Let's create another motion by pen. One click, 2, 3. Okay, press V a little bit down and select the shape layer and go to content, add trim paths. After trim paths, go to trim paths option, and then there is the start and there is the end percentage. Stopwatch, the end, go to 10 frames, change and go back to 5 frames. Stopwatch start, go to 15 frame, change the start percentage to 100. It's mean. And now select again the shape layer, press Ctrl Alt plus Home on keyboard, change the anchor point center of element. Ctrl D for duplicate, right click, go to transform, flip vertical, right click, transform, flip horizontal, move it here. And now play again. So select again, change the stroke size 3, change another stroke size 3. Select both layer, right click, pre-compose and name it rectangle motion. And now select the anchor point, move it to center. Ctrl D, press S for scale down like this. Press V for move. Move the layer 3 frames. Play again. Select both, right click, pre-compose, name it rectangle. So now time to create next motion element. Move this one here. Okay, create a new composition, name it the lines and change the preset to square and press OK. After this, select pen, just click here and click here. Change the stroke size 1. Good. Select and Ctrl D for duplicate, rotate, select all, Ctrl D, duplicate, rotate both, Ctrl A, select all, duplicate, rotate again, Ctrl A, duplicate all the lines and rotate little bit. Ctrl D, rotate, Ctrl D, just one line more. Select all, right click, pre-compose, Name it lines, press enter, and now select ellipse, select the layer because I want to draw a mask. Press Ctrl Shift, and now draw another mask here. So select the mask 2, subtract, open the mask 1 and open the mask 2. Okay, stopwatch, mask expansion, go to 5 frame, move like this. There is a little bit problem. Stopwatch, mask expansion, go to frame 5, like this, and now you can move the frame, the keyframe into 10 frame. Move your line, start from frame 5, stopwatch, mask expansion, go to 15 frame. There is the 15 frame, move it like this, and now play. Okay, select all your layers and there is the 10 frame. Press Alt, set or fit your motion time length to 10 frame. Go back to motion graphics elements and drop this element to here. Play. Okay, now time to using one of these elements. Click on title, click here, write hello, and now press Ctrl Alt Home for moving the anchor point center of the title. This motion, name it pop up. Press S for scale, change the 100% to 0, stopwatch, move the line by page down on keyboard. 1, 2, 3. 3 frame. Change 100. 1, 2, 3. Change it 95. 1, 2, 3. Change again 100. Play now. Good. Okay, select this kind of motion, move on the halo, play again, play again, select the circle motion, move this motion on halo, play again, okay, let's create another motion elements. Select the pen and zoom in, click here, and change the stroke size 0.5. So now I want to motion this line Select, go to option content, add trim paths, and open. This is the start point and this is the end point. Stopwatch, go to here, move the line and turn on the start, move it 100, so change to 100%. And now you can select and duplicate, press S for down the scale size and zoom in, move the line here. Play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about part 1 motion graphics elements. Like, subscribe the channel. See you next time.